Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Here we are with another video, and today I will be giving you guys a 2-year review on my lighting Trendz Halo kit. I did go with the Flow series. I didn't go with the DRL kit only because I didn't want to open up my headlights and go ahead and go through that route. So I did go with the exterior kit. In actuality, I think these are a little bit brighter than the DRLs. I could be wrong, but from pictures that I've seen in other people's cars, I feel like this kit is a lot brighter than the DRL kit. So I do have the Flow series with the Bluetooth remote. Right now you can get this kit for about $330 on the Lighting Trendz website. But let me tell you guys, if you want a really good quality Halo rings for your challenger, this is a no-brainer. Again, there's so many options out there as far as these Halo rings, so I just wanted to sort of give you my perspective on it and see what you guys think. As if you look here on the website, check it out. I mean, this is what they have. So obviously there's different options. You can go Flow series, you can just go regular RGB W, with Bluetooth, without Bluetooth. So many options with it, guys. So it just depends on what you want to do. For me, the Flow series is cool. Honestly, I almost always have it in red, especially for all my pictures and when I'm cruising, so on and so forth. The red just kind of my color, so I just kind of stick with that. So did I really need the Flow series? Probably not, but I guess it's good to have. So, but again, this is kind of what it looks like. Obviously, you've got different options with it, so on and so forth. So depending on what you want. Now, you could go the DRL way. Lighting Trendz does offer that, so it's totally up to you if you want to go that route. Now, the installation on that is going to be a lot harder because you do have to take the bumper off. You got to take your headlights out, then you got to take them apart, take the DRLs out. So if that's kind of up your alley, this is you can definitely go that way. If not, you can look at paying somebody probably $300-400 minimum just to kind of put those kits in. So for me, I just went with the exterior. You just kind of clean the headlights, make sure they're all clean, with some alcohol, and just really stick them on, run the wiring, and then plug it into your battery, and you're good to go. So there really wasn't much to it. The app is super easy to work with, so I'm gonna show you the app next. But again, if you want something simple that really does the job, this kit is really, really nice to have. So, all right, guys, so I'm gonna pull up the app right here. You can go ahead and check it out. Just go ahead, connected, and there's so many modes. If you check it out, I mean, tons. I think there's like 200 different modes, so I'm just gonna sort of cycle through. There's like tons. I mean, it just goes on forever. So for me, I usually just kind of stick with red, or just kind of the different options that they have with red. There's like a red spinning, glowing, so on and so forth. So tons of options with the app, and then obviously you can just really just go through it and just kind of cycle through. Obviously you can control the brightness, so if it's too bright, if you're doing ones with where it moves, if you can just kind of brighten that up real quick. And then you can control the speed of it too. So you can I really move slow. You guys check that out. So again, really nice kit, super simple to use. The install is super easy. There's really not much to it. Again, I've had this kit for 2 years. I've had nothing but good things from it. No problems, no issues, nothing. So definitely a no-brainer from me though. So go ahead, check it out. Go back to red. A bunch of options with my car. I'll just kind of play with that. Go ahead, throw the demon eyes up there. So I do plan on getting the grill kit next, and maybe the engine bay, and then probably eventually underglow, and then maybe even the wheel well kit. So I know that one is a lot more difficult to install, so I'll definitely be doing my research on it. But again, guys, I just want to give you guys sort of a review on this Lighting Trendz kit, because I do get a lot of questions of who do I run with, how is the quality, so on and so forth. So I figured I just made this video for you guys just to kind of check it out and see kind of my perspective on it, especially 2 years later. So I'll go ahead and kill off the other lights so you guys can see a little bit more closer view. Let's check it out. I know it's starting to get kind of dark here, so let's kill some of the brightness. So I like the LEDs out here. I don't know, I just think it looks cool. Something different. All right, guys, so here we go. I just sort of just dimmed it down so you guys can take a little bit of a closer look up to it. But again, and I'll post up some pictures right now in this video just so you can kind of see some good shots of it with the rings, halo rings. Again, they're on there pretty good, ain't going nowhere. Again, 2 years, guys, so this stuff lasts a long time, no issues with it at all. So if you're in the market, this would be a good option for you guys. So go ahead, check it out. On the other side, back out a little bit. Alright, guys, that is the end of this video. Again, just want to give you a little bit of review on it. If you have any questions or concerns or whatever, just kind of drop a comment below. I'll be more than happy to help you guys out. But until then, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.